Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you another type of banana. This one is kind of close to plantain, but it's not sweet like plantains. Kind of sweet and not really sweet. It's kind of sweeter than our regular banana, but less sweet than the plantains. And you have to cook to eat them. I don't know, can you eat raw or not? Because I never eat raw before. So I know many people they have to cook them. Yeah, it's easy to cook. It's not hard, but sometimes you have never seen them before. It might be you doubt how you can cook them, how you eat them. So I'm going to show you how I cook these bananas I purchased at the grocery store. And when I purchased they're still green. And I brought home. I keep in the paper bag, and I got just kind of chew a little bit, and then left there, and then I turn yellow. But I know that's not really good. I'm not excellent. It's good, but not excellent. Because this is young, it's not mature enough. When you can get the mature banana, and you cook, and this tastes very good, and the texture is kind of not like uh, uh, like it's good when they are mature, but it's still okay. It's better than the last time I saw them by a show in the store, because the last time it's so young. I cannot believe how they eat them. Probably they eat another way, because if for cooking it's not good if too young, unless you have a special recipe. I don't have those, so I don't know. I only know how to eat. I cook. Okay, I cook and eat. I don't have any real recipe for this. So let's go to see how I cook them. Okay, step number one, I wash them multiple times. Before I cook, I wash them first. So if they have any dust or something, it goes away. So far so good. And see, usually I do in the pair like this. I don't ask me why. The only thing I think, like, because when I was a kid, I was a little, and I saw my mom or my dad cook that way, so that's why I did the same. Next, you just place on the steamer. Before, I used to cook at the boiling, but since I have the bigger steamer, I steam them, because the steam is the juice and sweet, everything is still left on the banana. If you boil, it's sweet or some great good thing like grating is gone away. So that's how I do. I place the cover on the top, and let's go to I place on the stove. Now just you can see like this. I just turn on this. Let's go to turn on the stove. Oh, I'm wrong. Okay, anyway, let me see. Oh, this way, I forgot. So That's like that. Okay. When it's done, I will show you. I just here and when it's boiling, when the steam comes out, so big steam. So I will lower to the minimum, or sometimes it's still too strong. I lower then to the low medium, so they can cook slowly. So banana is tastes more better. Okay, let's see later. It's um it's boiling now. I'm going to lower the heat a little bit to the minimum. Yeah. Let's see. Let me lower the heat a little bit.